up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and condition your Harley Davidson leather. Now, if you have a Harley Davidson motorcycle, you're going to have a lot of leather on the bike, whether it's just the seat or you got saddlebags and accessories. Today, we're going to show you how to properly care, clean, and condition your Harley Davidson leather. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Today in the shop, we have this classic Fat Boy Harley Davidson. It's got some miles on it, and the owner wants to clean it up, so they brought it into the shop, and we're going to show you how to clean your Harley Davidson leather. Now, the first thing about cleaning and conditioning leather is that you want to make sure you do it on a regular basis. So whether you have a new bike or an old bike, you want to go ahead and care for the leather. We're going to go ahead and clean and condition this leather seat. As you can see from the video, this leather seat has some premature cracking and fading of the leather, and that's normal wear, but you can actually prevent this by cleaning and conditioning your leather right at the beginning. So if you have a new bike or if you have an old bike, this is going to work on all those bikes. Now, this is also going to work on your leather saddlebags. So if you got saddlebags just like these ones, this is going to work on that as well. Plus, it's going to work on your boots and your jackets and all your leather accessories. All the products and cleaning techniques we use in this video is going to help with all your motorcycle gear. So let's go ahead and show you the products and the tools we're going to use to clean and condition this Harley Davidson leather. So now let's show you all the products and tools we're going to use to clean and condition your Harley Davidson leather. Now, the first thing we're going to do is clean the leather, and we're going to use our Masterson's leather cleaner to remove all the dirt, oils, and body stains from the leather. This is going to pull off all the grime as well. So if you have bugs and dirt stains on your leather, this is going to work great. Now, this is going to work on all leather surfaces, and this is a sprayable concentrated formula. So we're also going to use our Masterson's spray bottle that we have here and dilute it. This has dilution markers on the side. We're going to dilute this 6:1 to clean our leather. Now, I have some great tools here. I have our Masterson's horsehair leather cleaning brush. This is what we're going to use for the base of the seat. And then I also have a boar's hair superior detailing brush. We're going to use this to clean the edges and also clean the little patch pocket right on the tank. Now, I also have our Masterson's leather conditioner. Now, our Masterson's leather conditioner is going to soften and prevent cracking and fading from the leather. This has UV solar blockers, plus it has vitamin E and aloe inside of it, and it smells like real leather. And this is like a pure lotion for your leather. So we're going to apply this, and this is going to soften up the leather. Now, to apply that today, we're going to use our microfiber applicators, and then we also have 3 premium extra soft 70/30 microfiber towels. Now, all this you can pick up on our website, mastersonswax.com. We'll put a link right here, and you can also check out the link in the bio. So let's get cleaning that Harley Davidson leather. So let's show you how to clean some leather. So first step is to get this leather all clean. Now, on your seat leather or your saddlebags, there's probably a lot of embedded dirt, body oils, bugs, all that stuff you want to take off the leather. A good indication that your leather is dirty or needs to be cleaned is if it looks very shiny. Leather shouldn't look shiny. It should have more of a neutral look. This one looks very shiny. It hasn't been cleaned in a couple years. And then as we showed you earlier, it's got this premature cracking right here. And this is actually stress marks and stress creases. And if it's not conditioned, these can all turn into cracks. So let's go ahead and first clean the leather. I like to take our leather cleaner, and we already diluted it 6:1. And I'm going to take our leather cleaning horsehair brush. And you can just spray all of your leather seat. And then take your leather cleaning brush and give it a good scrub. Now, don't be afraid to scrub the leather. We're using a natural horsehair brush. So this brush is extra soft, but it has that scrubbing capabilities to clean the leather properly. It's already started to whiten up this Harley Davidson logo as well. And you can actually see in this leather cleaner right here, this leather cleaner is actually clear, but it's actually starting to look a little dirty. That's because it's actually taking off a lot of dirt. This leather seat hasn't been cleaned in many years. Okay, so now that you got all the leather surface cleaned, let's take a microfiber and we're going to give it a good wipe. I'm just going to wipe away all of the leather cleaner. Oh, there we go, guys. And I hope you guys can see that on camera already. The leather looks much cleaner. It doesn't have that oily residue look. A lot of people use weird leather cleaners and conditioners, and they actually sometimes leave oily residue on the surface. Our leather cleaner removes all that, and then we're gonna put true leather conditioner on that. There we go. That is what a clean leather seat should look like. Now we're also gonna clean this little pouch at the top. We're gonna clean the outside as well. So let's just spray the leather cleaner and scrub the pouch. And we're gonna do the outside of the pouch, and then we'll leave the inside of the pouch original so we can show you guys the before and after. There we go. Now, if you guys have smaller surfaces that need detailing, you can also use one of these smaller boar's hair brushes. These are great. I'll show you how to use this right here. You just spray on, take your boar's hair brush, and then you can actually clean smaller surfaces as well. So if you have a smaller area, or you're trying to clean some boots, or a small, really tight bag, like maybe a handlebar bag, this is what you can use to clean that as well without removing it off the bike. And you can already see on the camera that just the leather cleaning really actually made this pouch look a lot better. Let's open up the inside and you can see, just look at how nasty it looked at before, and now how it's got that dry, matte look back. And now we're gonna give it some condition with some leather conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab our leather conditioner. Here we go, we got our Masterson's leather conditioner. Now this leather conditioner is great because it has vitamin E and aloe inside of it. This is like a lotion. See, this is actually real animal skin. It's just like our skin. Our skin needs lotion, so does the leather on the bike. So let's take an applicator pad, shake it up, and then let's put a little bit of our Masterson's leather conditioner on the applicator pad, and let's spread this on. Already, just by moving this around, you feel it soaking in the leather conditioner. I'm gonna reach over here so I can see. And wow, that's a big difference already that we're seeing in just applying the leather conditioner. Now, a lot of Harley Davidson owners, they actually say that they don't like to condition their leather because there's a myth about motorcycle riding that if you condition your leather, that you're gonna slide around on the seat and it's not gonna be safe when you're riding. Now, this is coming from a real rider. I ride thousands of miles a year, and if you use a true leather conditioner, like our Masterson's leather conditioner, it's gonna dry to the touch when it's finished. So you're gonna have a dry to the touch feel, and it's not gonna be slippery or oily. So look at the difference already. We got a dry side up here. This feels dry, and this side already feels much softer that has the leather conditioner on it as well. So let's just keep working it in. A little bit goes a long way with our Masterson's leather conditioner, so only need to put a little bit on and then just work it in. And this is, remember, this is gonna work on saddlebags. It's also gonna work on jackets, boots, all areas of the bike. So whether you have CVO, a Road King, Fat Boy, a Sportster, or you ride a different bike like an Indian, you can easily do this. It works on all motorcycles, all makes and models, and it also works on your car as well. Here we go. So we got that nice coat of the leather conditioner on there. Let's let that soak in. Now I'm gonna put some right here on this little pouch that is on the gas tank. Let's put a little bit of leather conditioner on there, and boom, oh man. This one is gonna make a big difference. It's brought back the color, and it really does look like new again. Wow, check that out. Nice. I'm actually gonna put a little bit more. When you're conditioning leather, sometimes you can feel that the leather wants to absorb more of the product. So just put enough on where it absorbs it, and once it stops absorbing, it'll just sit on the top. There you go. So now that we got that on the surface, all we gotta do is take a microfiber towel. Let's take the same microfiber towel we're using for cleaning and flip it over to a clean side. And then all we're gonna do is just give a light buff. And this is removing any excess. Now that we have all of the conditioner sink into the seat, It's really made a big difference. And then we'll go ahead and wipe off the pouch. Already that pouch looks a lot better. It looks smoother, it feels smoother, it looks more natural. And wow, look at that seat. That seat is making a big difference and it feels much softer. That's the best thing about our leather cleaner and conditioner. So if you guys follow this complete guide on how to clean and condition your Harley Davidson leather seats, your saddlebags, any of your accessories, they're gonna stay looking great for years. Now you know how to clean and condition your Harley Davidson leather. Now it's important to clean and condition your leather on a regular basis. Here at Masterson's Car Care, we recommend 2 to 3 times a year to keep your leather in top condition. You can always clean and condition it more often, whether you ride more or you have more dirty bugs and stains on your leather. Now first we're able to take our Masterson's leather cleaner, clean off all that dirt, that grime, and that debris, make it a clean surface, and then we're able to condition and restore the leather using our Masterson's leather conditioner. Now with the cleaning and conditioning, these premature cracking is gonna slow down and this leather seat is gonna keep looking good for years. Now this technique and these products can work on your leather seats, saddlebags, handlebar bags, pouches, boots, jackets, accessories, and much more. All your leather stuff that you got on your motorcycle, this product and technique is gonna keep it looking good for years. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And if you wanna pick up our leather cleaner, our conditioner, all of our brushes and microfiber towels, head over to our website, mastersonswax.com. Use code YouTube for 10% off. Now, I'm Greg from Mastersons. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing, and ride safe.